Now that our project is successfully created and we added Firebase to it, and we also added the Firebase authentication dependencies, and finally we also enabled the Firebase login option with email address and password from Firebase console. Now is the time we actually start writing the code and building the user interface. But before going for that, I'm going to show you how this app is actually going to work. So there will be three activities: main activity, sign up activity, and login activity. As the name suggests, login activity is for asking the user for login. It will be responsible for getting the email address and password from user and then logging the user in. And the sign up activity will also be responsible for getting email address and password from user, but it will create a new account using email address and password to Firebase, and the main activity will be shown when user is logged in. So this is the main activity that we will be creating. This is how it will be looking at the end of this lecture, and this is just a dummy image. There will be, we are not going to store the image, but we maybe in future I will add the functionality, but for this playlist I am just showing this dummy image and this welcome text, and this is the address of the user that is logged in, and by using this logout button that user can log out. So this is the main activity. It will be first executed as soon as the app launches, and inside the main activity we will check if the user is logged in or not. If the user is logged in, then we will just show the details of the user, and if it is not logged in, then we will redirect it to login activity. This is the login activity. This is how it is going to show at the end. It is asking for email address and password and a login button. The forgot password option is not working right now, but we will add that maybe in future. And if a user have not already signed up, then in this sign up button, this is for creating new account. When user clicks this sign up button, it will be redirected to this activity. Here the user can provide the email address and password and create a new account. So this is the whole functionality of this app. In the next tutorial I am going to show you how to build the interface for the main activity. So let's start that.